Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by giving the search tool access to the folders you want it to scan. Once done, open Search My Files and pick the main directories, documents, downloads, or a project folder. You should enable indexing so the tool builds a quick reference. This speeds results. Make sure indexing completes before heavy use. If you need only specific subfolders, select those now. This avoids scanning irrelevant data and keeps searches focused and fast. You craft a precise query by combining keywords and operators. Use quotes for exact phrases or to broaden and not to exclude. Then apply filters like file type, date range, or minimum size to narrow the set. Once you run the search, preview items from the results pane so you avoid opening wrong files. Make sure to switch sorting between relevance and date, modified to locate the most useful copy. If results are too broad, add one more keyword. You finalize by acting on the file. Open it, edit in place, or share and copy where needed. Once you have a reliable query, save it as a saved search or shortcut. This saves time later. Make sure to exclude sensitive folders if you don't want them indexed. If an expected file doesn't appear, first reindex the folder, then verify permissions and include hidden or external drives. That single troubleshooting step, reindex and confirm access, fixes most missing result problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.